Man, I do a merge steakhouse.
Swiper, no swipe.
Now, question. We had a show and they were saying, do you think a female should make a guy wait 90 days before he?
Yes.
I think so.
No.
I called it. That was on Larry Young's show.
I see a lot of y'all not getting y'all car notes paid.
I say no.
No, as bad as you would want to have it, it depends on how long you want to have that guy. If you only want him temporarily, then you can do whatever you want. But if you really want him, hold off, hold out.
I think that let things flow. You know, if it's real, it's real. If it's BS, it's BS. You should know that in the beginning if you've been there and done that. You know, I think that you should know off the person who you're going to give yourself to. Because really, you shouldn't be wasting your time. If you're dealing with somebody and you're dealing with them and the moment is right and you feeling that dude, why not?
You so strong.
I want to hear your opinion.
This is where we promote condoms.
Trojan. Whether you're small or big,
Man,
Trojan will be there.
Wow. Yeah, I will wait that 90 days. Because if you want to stick with me, you want to stick with me through whatever. Why you
It doesn't guarantee that you're going to be with them.
That's true.
her MySpace is empty.
No, that's a good
If you
thing.
don't wait the 90 days, just think about how many people you become a list on. If you wait, you have 5 guys that you're dealing with, you sleep with 5 guys, becomes another 5 guys, become another 5 guys, and then you guess what? You got 15 people now that you're dealing with,
And don't know
you
what
still
they
ain't got
follow.
nobody. You got 15 guys you slept with you by
running out
yourself,
of
and you
things.
then slept with 15 guys.
That's
But
not
it's like-
always true because you're supposed to have mind control over your stuff. You need to know what's going on, and you don't need to know. You need to know what's going on. You know, you should be able to know if somebody's worth it or not, and you should be able to know somebody's worth it off of that first conversation, off of that first night. You know, I don't think it
How
always
can you know
doubles
who's
up.
worth it if they're a con artist?
Exactly.
There's a lot of good liars out
Hold
there.
on. We can all sit together. We can't all talk together.
A lot of brothers have game now, so.
Why not wait?
All right,
30
ladies and
days?
gentlemen, hold time. I'm here. Hello. Pause for cause. We gotta take a break. We're gonna be right back with this hot topic. This is Tree and his hot mess on 1010 OB. Blast Radio, the home of the Larry Young Morning Show. We'll be right back here, y'all.
Take 2.
Because that's why you should know.
Don't shoot me like this. If you got a problem with me, meet your friend righty and lefty. Grease, baby.
This right here will save you a many a day. Times is hard. When y'all don't act right,
I'm gonna go find me a sheep.
But I mean, yo, why not wait
in a
30 days? Why not 100 days?
Right,
Like,
if
who's
it's
gonna
only
wait?
1 year,
You can wait. There's no time limit, but
It doesn't matter on the time.
100 days.
I mean, like, why 90? Like, who
he said 90 minutes.
For the baby
That's
out
what
there,
Steve Harvey
you
said in
shouldn't be
his
doing
book.
it like that. With everybody anyway.
Oh, yeah, I heard
He
about
said
that.
depends on if you want it. If you
Steve Harvey's book said wait
Then
90 days.
Give them that.
you have to wait for
I know.
every